This home is just priced under $320,000 and is big enough to give you both a spacious living room with a cozy fireplace and a formal dining room. But here's the part you won't see right away. The sellers have already taken care of the big ticket updates. We're talking brand new roof, HVAC system, siding, and even 2 septic tanks plus city water and a private well. If you're thinking about making a move here in Northwest Georgia, whether it's your very first home or you're relocating for a fresh start, reach out. I'll walk you through every step. I'm Josselin Iraheta with eXp Realty, serving Chatsworth and all Northwest Georgia. Book a Calendly call with me. Let's go take a look inside and I'll show you why this might be the most move-in ready home in Chatsworth. This home, located on the countryside of Chatsworth, has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it boasts with square footage of 2,128. It was built in 1999 and it has 2.58 acres. As you step inside, this entire area is the living room, which my video doesn't do it justice. The carpet is not yellow. It came off like that on the camera, but it's a very soft brown. This home has been remodeled. The HVAC system is new. It is on permanent block foundation. The flooring and carpet is new. It has fresh paint, light fixtures, new doors and trim. The tile, the bathroom vanities are new, the tubs, the showers, the kitchen cabinets. I honestly love them. If you pay attention to the cabinets, they don't have the little handle to open them. Just pointing that out. You could open them just like that, but for easy grip, I think it would be better if some handles were put in place. That one in particular didn't have it at the time we went to see it. I don't know if they will add it. Just wanted to highlight that for you. And also the countertops are brand new. And you know, those things that I mentioned are big ticket items. The roof is metal and the foundation has already been certified by an engineer. The entrance is gravel driveway, giving you peace of mind for years to come. It is currently on city water, but as I mentioned, you do have a private well and additional septic tank, which gives you plenty of space for you to let your dreams and imagination run wild. Maybe you like farming or having a garden, you have pets or kids. There's so much you could do here. This is the laundry room, and that particular door leads you to the outside on one of the sides of the home. This home sits on Bracket Bridge Road in South Chatsworth, giving you a peaceful country setting while keeping you within a short drive to downtown Chatsworth, where you'll obviously find groceries, restaurants, and local businesses. Carter's Lake and Four Mountain State Park are perfect for weekend hikes, boating, and outdoor fun. They're also in proximity. And this home is zoned for the schools of Coker Elementary, Glade Middle, and Murray County High School. This home really gives you the best of both worlds. Peaceful country living in Chatsworth, but you're still just a short drive to Dalton or Calhoun. Whether you're commuting for work, running errands, or looking for family-friendly activities, you've got it all covered within reach. If you would like to make this place your home, you can check out the link in the description. You can also book a Calendly call with me to schedule your private showing. I'll be happy to serve you. This is Josselin with eXp Realty. Thank you so much for watching.